not believe we're going to be riding today. It's been raining a lot the past couple days, and the biggest worry has been the container has not been here. We just got confirmation from the track that the container has finally made it, so big relief off everybody's shoulders. And I think the mechanics and team manager and everybody are at the track right now, and the riders are about to head out there and go check things out and kind of get the container organized. See if we'll get to ride today, maybe tomorrow. Get a little pre-riding in hopefully, but if not, we're ready to go and we'll see what we can do.
They dropped our container off earlier this morning and a little too close to the roadway, so track owner called in one of his friends that has a crane truck and moving this thing over about, probably about 30 feet to the back to give us some more room, and he's getting ready to set it down now.
Brought it in and it's like on the road. I just got here a little bit ago. I slept real good last night, so I'm feeling refreshed, no more jet lag. I think even Ev slept with me until 10 when I woke up, so I think we're all going to be good now. I mean, the first day is always the toughest, and now we're on Germany time, which is nice. And I'm looking at the track. I can only see like a little bit of it from here. I haven't even really looked at it. Just sat on the bike. We're here. The bikes are here. We're happy now. The container was held up for a little bit, but everything seems to be rolling smoothly now. Moving the container in a little bit, get it off the road here. It looks cool though. This place kind of reminds me of home. It's nice here, so I'm excited to be here and get this week started. What's up, guys? We're here at the house in Germany. We just got done eating some tacos for dinner. Kind of settling down now, giving the babies a bath. Thomas is next, but yeah, we had a good day today. Unloaded the container, got everything prepped and ready for the test day tomorrow. So that should be interesting. We're hoping we can get out there and ride. Weather's a little iffy. Every day we've been here, it's a little sprinkle, but we're hoping for a good day tomorrow and get some laps in.
Yeah, super excited for tomorrow. Should be a good day. No rain, hopefully, kind of like Joel said, but man, it's gonna be good to get back on the bike and get loosened up a little bit. Starting to feel tight here, especially with all the rain and weather we've been having, so it'll be good. It's been great here in the house and big family atmosphere going on right now.
Got getting over the jet lag, so it's been pretty easy this time around. So I'm looking forward to just getting out there and riding tomorrow and getting loosened up and make sure everything's a go for us for qualifying day come Saturday. So
track seems pretty sandy, but not near as tight as last year, so I'm really hoping we can stay with our 18-20 setup and not have to go to the big tires. A lot of people are saying towards the end of the day, Sunday will be big tires, but for right now, I'm hoping to stay on 18s the whole time.
Just see how the track lays out for us, throughout the day and qualifying, and we can make some judgments from there.